Welcome to Education for You and welcome to another important class. আজি ক্লাসটো ডিসকাস কৰিম ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ ওপৰত আৰু ইয়াত মই আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে 100টা কোৱেশ্চনছ লৈ আনিছো আৰু সববোৰ কোৱেশ্চনছে প্ৰিভিয়াস ইয়াৰ্স বিভিন্ন পৰীক্ষাত যেনে আপোনাৰ সিভিল সাৰ্ভিসেস এক্সামত সোধা হওক বা আগতে আপোনাৰ এসএসসি এক্সামত সোধা সো বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ এনেকুৱা ৰিপিটেডলি সোধা প্ৰশ্ন ইয়াত লৈ আনিছো আশা কৰিছো এই কোৱেশ্চনছখিনি আপোনালোকক আগন্তুক পৰীক্ষা প্ৰিপাৰেচনত হেল্প কৰিব So let's start. Question number 1 is the cabinet mission to India was headed by. So cabinet mission jitu asile cabinet mission to India was headed by. To yar head kun asile. Okay, cabinet mission or head kun asile. Kune ya head korisile. And answer hoise Lord Patrick Lawrence. Okay, so cabinet mission ইয়াক পঠোৱা হৈছিলে ইংল্যান্ডৰ পৰা আৰু ইয়াক হেড কৰিছিলে লৰ্ড পেট্ৰিক লৰেন্সে ইয়াৰে হেড আছিল নেক্সট the constitution of India was adopted by so constitution of India adopt কোনে কৰিছে অপচন কেইটা ইয়াতে দিয়া আছে আমাৰ যিখন সংবিধান আছে ভাৰতৰ এখন এডপ্ট কৰা হৈছে অপচন কেইটা চাই লব গভৰ্ণৰ জেনেৰেল ব্ৰিটিছ পাৰ্লিয়ামেন্ট কনস্টিটিউয়েন্ট এছেম্বলি Parliament of India. So Constitution of India khon kune adopt korise. Answer hoise Constituent Assembly e adopt korise. The Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first met on. So ji amar Undivided India asile Akhondo Bharat tare Akhondo Bharator Constituent Assembly prothom kot mane log hoise ketia log hoisile kiman tarikhe and answer hoise Constituent Assembly first met on 1946 Bharat Sadhiনৰ আগৰ বছৰ আৰু তাৰিখ আছিল 9 ডিসেম্বৰ 9th of December meet কৰিছিলে who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India so আমাৰ ভাৰতৰ যি Constituent Assembly আছিল hey assembly Constituent Assembly advisor কোন আছিল constitutional advisor কোন আছিল Option kera sailbo are definitely gone paise. Yes, number A, Dr. B.N. Rao. He was the advisor of the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India was enacted by a Constituent Assembly set up. So, jikhon amar bharatborkhor সংবিধান আছে সংবিধান আছে সেই সংবিধানখন Constituent Assembly e কি কৰিছিলে enact কৰিছিলে কাৰ কেতিয়া মানে কেনেকৈ ইটো ইনএক্ট কৰা হৈছিল আনসাৰ হৈছে নম্বৰ বি আন্ডাৰ দা ক্যাবিনেট মিশন প্ল্যান 1946 সো ক্যাবিনেট মিশন প্ল্যানৰ মানে নিৰ্দেশ ক্ৰমে কি কৰা হৈছিল কনস্টিটিউশন অফ ইন্ডিয়া এইখন ইনএক্ট কৰা হৈছিল The Constituent Assembly which framed the Constitution for Independent India was set up in so Constituent Assembly খন কিমান চনত সেট আপ কৰা হৈছিল So amar constitution khon ji frame korisile Constituent Assembly yate members asile keba gorakio aru hei members bilake loglage amar constitution khon ki koise draft korisile so ei assembly khon Constituent Assembly khon kiman tarikh kiman sonot set up hoisile answer 1946 1946 itu set up kora hoisile Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India so Bharatborkhor Constituent Assembly kune preside korisile kune netritwa disile সভাপতিত্ব কৰিছিলে so answer inaugural meeting khon prothom jikhon meeting asile tate Sosidananda Sinha তেওঁ preside কৰিছিলে The chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution so Indian Constitution or chairman কোন আছিল drafting committee khonor ji chairman goraki নাম কোন আছিল so chairman asile B.R. Ambedkar How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? Finally, Constitution can pass hobor karone Constituent Assembly kiman homoy lagisile amar সংবিধান খন pass কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কিমান সময় লৈছিল answer number D is the correct about 3 years 3 বছৰ লৈছিলে প্ৰায় না since 9 December 1946 so 9 December 1946 ৰ পৰা 3 বছৰ প্ৰায় ধৰি পেলাই কি কৈছিলে লৈছিলে Constitution finally pass কৰিলে The President of Constituent Assembly. So, Constituent Assembly President কোন আছিল? President of Constituent Assembly. So, Constituent Assembly President আছিল Dr. Rajendra Prasad. তেওঁ President আছিল আৰু বাকি বিলাকে তেওঁৰ আন্ডাৰত কি কৰিছিলে আছিল Constituent Assembly. The demand for the Constituent Assembly was put forwarded by Indian National Congress in 1936 as at its session held at. So, এখন Constituent Assembly লাগে বুলি demand কৰা হৈছিলে 1937 চনৰ Congress Indian National Congressৰ যি মিটিং হৈছিলে তাতে সভাত হৈছিলে আৰু সেইখন 1936 ৰ কোনটো সেশনত ডিমান্ড কৰা হৈছিলে লখনৌত হোৱা সেশনত ডিমান্ড কৰা হৈছিলে Constituent Assembly এখন লাগে বুলি The most profound influence of the drafting of the Indian Constitution was exercised by the most profound influence of the drafting of the Indian Constitution was exercised by the influence draft in constitution kan draft korate mane sabse beshi influence kor pora paise Government of India Act 1935 ekhon act khonor influence to sabse beshi asile drafting of the Indian Constitution. Next, the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in. So, national flag khonor design Constituent Assembly ki koisil adopt korisil. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. So, Constituent Assembly ki korisile design of the national flag adopt korisile in kiman sonot adopt korisile. Answer hoise number C, July 1947. 1947 sonor July. Which of the following act gave representation to Indians for the first time in the legislature? So, kunkhon acte Indians ki korisile representation disile first time in legislature. So, option number eketa option di ase answer hoise number C, Government of India Act 1935 eikhone ki koisile Indians bilakok prothom representation disile in the legislature. Which of the following was adopted from the Maurya dynasty in the emblem of the Government of India? So, Maurya Samrajyar pora amar Government of India emblem or protikot rashtriyo protikot ki Maurya Samrajyar pora adopt kora hoisile and answer hoise number A, 4 lions. Sarita lion amar jitu protik ase rashtriyo protik tate Satyamir Jayate jot likha thake tarte sarita lion thake aru etu Maurya dynasty Ashok Stambhor pora lua hoise. The officer of Governor General of India was enacted by Governor General of India was enacted by Government of India Act 1858. 1858 sonor Government of India Act or pora Governor General of India a পদবিটো কি হৈছিল সৃষ্টি হৈছিল When did Mr. Attlee PM of England announce the transfer of power to Indians? So power Indians of power to Britishৰ হাতৰ পৰা ইন্ডিয়ান বিলাকৰ হাতলৈকে কেতিয়া ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰিছিলে PM আছিলে ইংলেণ্ডৰ তেতিয়া মিস্টাৰ এটলিয়ে সো কেতিয়া ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰিছিলে জুন 1948 সো ভাৰত স্বাধীন হোৱাৰ পিছত 1948 চনৰ জুনত তেওঁ পাৱাৰ ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰিছিলে ইণ্ডিয়ানছক who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the constitution. So constitutional drafting committee agot মহাবিধানৰ preamble বা প্ৰস্তাৱনা কোনে কি কৰিছিলে propose কৰিছিলে answer হৈছে জৱাহৰলাল নেহৰুৱে কি কৰিছিলে প্ৰস্তাৱনাখন প্ৰস্তাৱনাৰ দৰকাৰ আছে বুলি তেওঁ propose কৰিছিলে The first session of Constituent Assembly was held. So Constituent Assembly প্ৰথমটো session ক'ত হৈছিলে Answer hoise number D, New Delhi hoisile first session of the Constituent Assembly. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? So yare bitorot kun goraki Constituent Assembly member nasile. Answer hoise number C, Lokanayak Joy Prakash Narayan. He was not a member. Baki Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Acharya, J.B. Kriplani, K.M. Munshi. These people are they were the members of Constituent Assembly. The feature of a federal state is so a federal state or যুক্তৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ৰাজ্যৰ এখন ৰাষ্ট্ৰ এখনৰ বৈশিষ্ট্যবিলাক কি কি অপচন দি আছে কেটা and answer হৈছে number A and হে বৈশিষ্ট্য হৈছে যে the powers of the central and the state government are clearly laid down মানে কোনবিলাক পাৱাৰ সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টৰ আছে আৰু কোনবিলাক পাৱাৰ ষ্টেট গভর্নমেন্টৰ হাতত আছে এটো ক্লিয়াৰলি মেনশন কৰা থাকে ফেডাৰেল ষ্টেটৰ যুক্তৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ৰাষ্ট্ৰৰ The first foreign minister of free India. So mukta স্বাধীন ভাৰতৰ প্ৰথম গৰাকী foreign minister কোন আছিল Answer হৈছে number A, Jawaharlal Nehru. The first effort at drafting of a dominion status constitution for India was made in response to. So first effort at drafting a dominion status constitution for India was in response to Simon Commission. Okay, Simon Commissioner পৰাই কি হৈছিলে Simon Commissioner response হতে কি হৈছিলে drafting committee এখন constitutional draft এটা কৰাৰ কাৰণে কি হৈছিল প্ৰথমটো এফৰ্ট কৰা হৈছিল The Constitution of India was promulgated on January 26 1950 because so 1950 চনৰ 1950 26 জানুৱাৰী কি হৈছিল Constitution of India খন কি কৰা হৈছিল promulgate কৰা হৈছিল মানে announce কৰা হৈছিল বা declare কৰা হৈছিল বা make publicly মানে এটো কি কৰা হৈছিল adopt kora hoisile and answer hoise because karon this day was being celebrated as the Independence Day since 1929 so 1929 sonor pora 1950 January 26 tarikh to Independence hisabe ki kora hoisile celebrate kora hoisile so he karone 26 January din to ki kora hoisile Constitution of India khon promulgate ba public kora hoisile The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by so Constitution of India idea to prothom kune disile answer hoise M.N. Roy teo disile Constitution of India prothom idea to India became a sovereign democratic republic so bharatborkho ekhon সাৰ্বভৌম স্বাধীন গণতান্ত্ৰিক ৰাষ্ট্ৰ হৈছিলে কিমান চনত 26 জানুৱাৰী 1950 Which of the following was not one of the features of the Government of India Act 1935? Government of India Act 1935 or feature nohoy yare answer is a bicameral legislature baki provincial autonomy directly of center all India federation ebilak sob Government of India Act 1935 or ki asile kisuman boikhistyo asile The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of so Indian Federation or যেটো যুক্তৰাষ্ট্ৰবাদী যেটো বৈশিষ্ট্য এটো কোনখন কান্ট্ৰি সংবিধানৰ পৰা এটো এডপ্ট কৰা হৈছে বড় কৰা হৈছে আনসাৰ হৈছে Canadian Constitution পৰা The Indian Constitution closely follows the constitutional system তো Indian Constitution এ কোনখন দেশৰ constitution closely follow কৰে আনসাৰ হৈছে UK Britain বা UK Constitution closely follow kore The inspiration of liberty equality and fraternity was derived from so liberty equality and fraternity ekata inspiration kar pora derive kora hoise French Revolution okay French Revolution jitia horase biplab jitia hoisil tetia liberty equality fraternity ebilakor inspiration derive kora hoisile In a parliamentary form of government real powers of the state are vested in parliamentary form of government real powers card hatot thake answer is number A Council of Ministers headed by the PM okay so PM e head koriba aru Council of Ministers bilakor tat ki thake power thake Which constitution has inspired the Indian concepts of rule of law parliamentary system and law making procedures So কোনখন constitution এ কি কৰিছিল ইনস্পায়াৰ কৰিছিল ইন্ডিয়ান কনসেপ্ট জিবিলাক আছিল আমাৰ rule of law মানে equality before law parliamentary system বা law making procedure এইবিলাক কোনখন constitutionৰ পৰা ইনস্পায়াৰ হৈছে আনসাৰ হৈছে ব্ৰিটিছৰ যিখন constitution আছিল এইবিলাকত আছিল এইবিলাক তো তাৰ পৰা ইনস্পায়াৰ কৰি পেলা আমাৰ ইন্ডিয়াটো বিলাক কৰা হৈছে Indian Constitution has borrowed the idea of preamble so প্ৰস্তাৱনা বা preambleৰ idea to কৰ পৰা লৈছে answer হৈছে number D Constitution of USA Constitutionৰ যিটো প্ৰস্তাৱনা বা preamble আছে এইটো idea তো তাৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে In a federal state so federal states কি হয় যুক্তৰাষ্ট্ৰবাদী এখন ৰাষ্ট্ৰত কি হয় Answer number A states are more powerful than the center so in a federal state states are more powerful than the center India opted for a federal form of government because India kyo federal form of government bisarisile karon linguistic and regional diversity karon amar India ki hoy linguistic mane bhashar khetrot aru eta oncholor khetrot bahut khini ki ase diversity ase bhinnata ase aru he karone federal form of government or proyojon hoisile Socialist, secular, or unity and integrity of the nation. Eketa word constitution add kora hoise. Kiman amendment or zoriote. Answer hoise number A. 42nd 42 nong amendment or zoriote. The Constitution of India is Republican because it. So Constitution of India hon Republican hoy. Kyo because it has no hereditary elements. Okay, amar kono bongkhanukromik ki nohoy yate এলিমেন্ট নাই মানে বংশানুক্ৰমিক ভাবে ইয়াতে কি নহয় সিলেক্ট নহয় হিকানে ইয়াত ইজ আমাৰ ইন্ডিয়াখন গণতান্ত্ৰিক কনস্টিটিউশনখন গণতান্ত্ৰিক বুলি কোৱা হয় ৰিপাব্লিক in India the concept of single citizenship is adopted so single city একনাগৰিকত্ববাদ একনাগৰিকত্ববাদ যিটো একনাগৰিকত্ববাদৰ যিটো কনসেপ্ট হেতু কৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে আনসাৰ হৈছে ইংল্যান্ডৰ পৰাই লোৱা হৈছে From which of the countries constitution of India is adopted fundamental duties so আমাৰ যিলা মৌলিক কৰ্তব্য হেবিলা কোনখন কনস্টিটিউশনৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে মৌলিক কৰ্তব্যৰ টু USSR ৰ পৰা সোভিয়েট ইউনিয়ন যিটো আছিল তাৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে The Indian Constitution is regarded as so Indian Constitution khon ki boli regard kora hoy answer hoise federal in form and unitary in spirit ene mane jitu format aru amar etu federal hoy kintu spirit jitu hetu hoise amar unitary karon ami ene kintu amar state ase bahut kekhon kintu aru protekto state or nija nija ki ase sarkar ase kintu amar eta unity ase hetu hoise we all are Indian Okay, so unitary in spirit. Under which article of the constitution are cultural and educational rights granted? So cultural or educational rights kiman number article or joriote dia hoise number 29 and 30 29 aru 30 a article or joriote cultural and educational rights grant kora hoise right to constitutional remedies ebilak ki hor ki right hoy right to constitutional remedies are under fundamental right so fundamental maulik adhikar hoy boli kowa hoy if an Indian citizen is denied a public office because of his religion which of the following fundamental right is denied to him so egoraki Indian citizen e jodi deny kore a public office because of his religion is a dharmor adharat to teor kuntu maulik adhikar khorbo kora hoise and answer hoise number B right to equality Okay, so dharmar basis ot kono kako ki koribo na lage ami classify koribo na lage ba teolukok jikono kamor khetrote hok ba jikono khetrote ami ki koribo nware teolukor majo diversity koribo na lage aru etu right to equality bhanga hoy boli kowa hoy theory of fundamental rights implies so fundamental right or theory ki imply kore fundamental right or theory etue koy je equality of opportunity for all hokolore kane saman adhikar dibo lage heyai hoise maulik adhikaror mool mantra prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion article 15 is a fundamental rights classifiable under so religionor khetrot discrimination koratu prohibit koribo lage etu article 15 ase amar 15 number article so hetu ki boli kowa hoy the right to equality Article 14 ki guarantee kore equality before law and equal protection of law too. So equality before law or equal protection of law kak dibo lage answer number A all persons living within the territory of India. Bharatborkhot hokolo manuhage equality before law or equal protection diatu dorkar. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provisions for the administration and control of scheduled area in several states. So jibilak scheduled area ase so a scheduled area bilak or karone teologo special provision dibor karone সংবিধানৰ কোনটো অনুসূচীত লিখা আছে and answer হৈছে fifth পঞ্চম আৰু ষষ্ঠ fifth and sixth এই দুটাতে কি আছে scheduled areas বিলাকৰ কাৰণে special provisions ৰ কথা উল্লেখিত আছে untouchability is abolished and is practice is punishable according to to jitu অস্পৃশ্যতাবাদ হেতু abolish kora hoise aru kunubai jodi অস্পৃশ্যতাবাদৰ etiao ki kore prachalan kore titia hole teoloko punishable hoy article number kiman adharat article number 17 or under who is competent to prescribe conditions as for acquiring Indian citizenship so Indian citizenship dibor karone kune mane competent hoy kune dibo pare parliament Which of the following rights was described as the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar by the Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? So Ambedkar kak mane kuntu rights of heart and soul of the Constitution boli koise answer hoise number D right to constitutional remedies. So right to constitutional remedies to heart and soul of the Constitution boli koise. The total number of fundamental duties mentioned in the Constitution is so amar Constitution of mention kora fundamental duty kimanta ase total answer number C 11 fundamental duties ase fundamental duties have been added in the Constitution by 42nd Amendment Act 1976 in accordance with the recommendation of. So fundamental duties আমাৰ সংবিধানত 42 নং সংশোধনৰ জৰিয়তে 1976 চনৰ 42 নং সংশোধনৰ জৰিয়তে ইনক্লুড কৰা হৈছে কোনটো কমিটিয়ে ৰিকমেন্ড কৰিছিল আনসাৰ হৈছে চৰণ সিং কমিটিয়ে কৈছে Which one of the following subject is under the union list in the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India? So, which one of the following subject is under the union list in the 7th schedule? So, 7 number অনুসূচিত কোন কি বিলাক লিখা আছে regulation of labor and safety in mines and oil fields. So, যিবিলাক mines থাকে খনি আছে যিবিলাক কয়লাৰ খনি হওক তেলৰ খনি হওক যিবিলাকত যিবিলাক labor থাকে তেওঁলোকৰ safety কাৰণে লিখা আছে 7th number schedule. The purpose of directive principles of state policy is to. So, যিবিলাক আমাৰ নিৰ্দেশাত্মক নীতি আছে directive principles সেই directive principleৰ main purpose to কি হয় main purpose to হৈছে এটো lay down positive instructions which guide state policy at all levels. Okay, so positive instructions দিয়া to আৰু যিবিলাক state policy আছে সকলো লেভেলতে যাতে এই পলিসি বিলাকে কি পলিসি বিলাকক গাইড কৰিব পাৰি তাৰ কাৰণে পজিটিভ ইনস্ট্ৰাকশন দিয়া আছে নিৰ্দেশনাত্মক নীতি The fundamental right to dash has been deleted by the Dash Amendment Act. Fundamental right to property has been deleted by the 44th Amendment Act. Which article says no child below the age of 14 years? Okay, 14 বছৰৰ তলৰ কোনো শিশুৱে কি কৰিব নোৱাৰিব employed to work in any factory কাম কৰিব নোৱাৰিব or any other hazardous employment আৰু এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কামত কি কৰিব নোৱাৰে এমপ্লয় হ'ব নোৱাৰিব তো এইটো কোনটো আৰ্টিকলে কৈছে আৰ্টিকল নম্বৰ 24 so 20 নম্বৰ আৰ্টিকলত লিখা আছে Which article of the Constitution envisages free and compulsory education for children up to the age of 14 years? So, free and compulsory education 14 বছৰলৈকে দিয়াটো কোনটো আৰ্টিকলত লিখা আছে আৰ্টিকল 45 45 নম্বৰ আৰ্টিকলত লিখা আছে Which one of the following statement correctly describes the 4th schedule of the Constitution? So, 4th schedule of কি আছে 4th schedule আছে এইটো it allocates seats in the Council of States. Okay, so Council of States or seat or kotha allocate kara kotha 4th schedule is 9th schedule was added by the nong অনুসূচী to কিমান amendment or জৰিয়তে include কৰা আছে first amendment প্ৰথম যেটো সংশোধন আছিল সংবিধানৰ first amendment or জৰিয়তে 9th schedule to include কৰা হৈছে The Constitution of India promotion of international peace and security to international peace আৰু security mention কৰা আছে ক'ত আছে Directive principles of state policy likha ase promotion of international peace and security In which one following does the subject cooperative society So cooperative society kuntu list pore option keta aru option keta bhitorot cooperative society apunar concurrent list pore With what subject do the article 5 to 8 pasor pora 8 number article kihor hoite deal kore amar সংবিধানত সংবিধানৰ পাছৰ পৰা 8 নম্বৰ আৰ্টিকেলে ডিল কৰে সিটিজেনশিপৰ হৈতে নাগৰিকত্ব হৈতে Under which article of the Constitution the President's rule promulgated on any state So President's rule promulgate হয় কোনটো আৰ্টিকেলৰ আধাৰত আনসাৰ হৈছে আৰ্টিকেল নম্বৰ 356 356ৰ জৰিয়তে প্ৰেসিডেন্টৰ rule promulgate হয় Rule of passing resolution by 2/3 majority of total number of members of the House of Parliament is applicable in the case of So 2/3 majority মানে পাৰ্লিয়ামেন্টৰ থাকিব লাগে কিহৰ কাৰণে এইটো ইমপিচমেন্ট অফ প্ৰেসিডেন্টক যদি তেওঁৰ পদৰ পৰা আঁতৰাব লাগে পাৰ্লিয়ামেন্টৰ মেম্বাৰৰ টোটাল 3 ভাগৰ 2 ভাগে কি কৰিব লাগিব এইটো এগ্ৰি কৰিব লাগিব Article 340 340 number article কি provide কৰে appointment of a commission to investigate the conditions for the improvement of So কিহৰ ইমপ্ৰুভমেন্টৰ ওপৰত 340 article কথা কয় আৰু answer হৈছে scheduled caste আৰু scheduled tribes বিলাকৰ ইমপ্ৰুভমেন্টৰ ওপৰত conditions বিলাক ইমপ্ৰুভমেন্টৰ ওপৰত national emergency এতিয়ালৈকে কিমানবাৰ ডিক্লেয়াৰ হৈছে and এতিয়ালৈকে thrice declare hoise national emergency The provision for contingency fund of India as well as for each state so contingency fund provision kora hoise so etu article 267 or joriote The president rule is imposed for a period of the president rule kiman dinoleke impose koribo pare answer for a period of 6 months In the election of the president, the value of the vote of the Lok Sabha members. So, election of president or election of Hamoyot, the value of the vote of Lok Sabha members, Lok Sabha jila members ase, teolokor vote etar value ki hoy. Value differs according to the number of votes a member represents. Okay, so value to differ kore teo kiman khini vote represent korise hetur uporot depend kore etu differ kora hoy. An individual who is not a member of either House of Parliament can be appointed a member of the Council of Ministers, but he has to become a member of either house within a period of. So, every individual Z ki nahoy, kono eta house or upper house or lower house of a member nahoy, but teo Council of Ministers hisabe appoint koribo pari, kintu teo a house or member hobo lagibo kiman dinor bhitorot, within a period of 6 months he should be a member of the house. Any house, upper or lower house. The only president of India was elected unopposed is, so unopposed korim elect kora president to hoise Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, who acts as the president of the India when neither the president nor the vice president is available. So president or vice president or অনুপস্থিতিত কোনে presidentship লব পাৰে? Chief Justice of India. The resolution for removing the Vice President of India can be moved in the. So Vice President of India move koribor karone their position pora resolution court lobo pare Rajya Sabha alone into power dia ase. Who among the following Indian Prime Ministers could not vote for himself during the vote of confidence that he was seeking from the Lok Sabha? So, kune vote koribo nware kun goraki Prime Minister vote of confidence যেতিয়া মানে বিচাৰিছিলে Manmohan Singh. The authorization for the withdrawal of funds from Consolidated Fund of India must come from. So, Consolidated Fund or pora withdrawal koriba kane fund to tare authorization kar pora ahibo lagibo, the Parliament of India pora authorization ahibo lagibo. Rajya Sabha can have maximum kiman thakiba pare member Rajya Sabhar 250 member thakiba pare, or at present Rajya Sabha consists of how many members? At present it consists of 245 members. Lok Sabhar pratham speaker kun asile? Answer option keta eketa di ase. So first speaker of the Lok Sabha eto Malgoankar. What is 0 hour? 0 hour ki hoy? Option di ase sai eketa, and 0 hour hoise number B, when matters of utmost importance are raised. Jetya eta birat important matter raise hoy in between sessions of parliament, so that is called 0 hour. Which of the following states has the largest percentage of reserve parliamentary seats? So reserve kora parliamentary seats kuntu state or sabse beshi ase? Uttar Pradesh. Chairman of Public Accounts Committee chairman kun hoy? Answer hoise appointed by the chairman of Public Account Committee etu kune appoint kore? Appointed by the speaker. At a joint sitting of parliament a bill has to be passed. So parliament or jodi joint sitting hoy bill khon pass hobo lagibo by a simple majority of the total number of members. Total members or the simple majority of both houses present and voting. Okay, so majority ki koribo lagibo titia bill to pass hobo pare. The time gap between two sessions of the parliament should not exceed. To kiman time exceed koribo nalage? Time gap two sessions or mazat 12 months pass koribo nalage. The chairman of the Rajya Sabha is, to Rajya Sabha chairman it was elected by members of both houses of parliament. So chairman jodi goraki thake Rajya Sabhar duota house or members bilake elect kore. The minimum age for appointment of the member of Rajya Sabha appointment or minimum age kiman hoy member? To minimum Rajya Sabha member hobole 40 bochor hobo lagibo. Which of the following best defines the parliamentary term crossing the floor? So crossing the floor mane hoise 8 number, leaving the opposition to join the party in power or vice versa by a parliament. Okay, so power thoka party join koribole kunubai jodi mane opposition party pora hetu party le gusi ahe, hetu bortaman bahut choli ase jenaka congress or BJP bahut ahe ahise otialeke, so that is called crossing the floor. Rajya Sabha is less powerful than Lok Sabha in terms of financial power because to financial power khator Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha koi less ৰাজ্যসভা লোকসভাতকৈ less powerful হয় কিয় কাৰণ it does C number 2 it does not participate in passing of money bill or participation of ৰাজ্যসভাৰ হাত নাই আৰু ৰাজ্যসভাত কোনো money bill introduce কৰিব নোৱাৰে হেকাৰণে if a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha is not returned to Rajya Sabha within 14 days so লোকসভাই যদি পাস কৰা এখন মানি বিল ৰাজ্যসভা 14 দিনৰ ভিতৰত পাস নহয় তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব the bill will be sent to president লৈকে সেন্ড কৰা হ'ব তেও ফাইনাল সিগনেচাৰ আৰু কনসেন্টৰ কাৰণে so correct sequence of passing a budget in parliamentত budget এখন পাস হ'বৰ কাৰণে correctly কি sequence follow কৰা হয় answer number D discussion on the budget first তাৰপিছত appropriation bill finance bill vote on account okay budget or discussion hobo bill appropriation of bill hobo the finance koribo bill and vote on account so after that budget is passed in the parliament the joint sitting hobor kane sambidhan parliament or duita house or joint sitting or kane kiman quorum lage kiman members lage 1/10 of total members of the house so 1/10 10 bhagor ek onkho jodi members of the house present thake to joint sitting can happen which is the largest Lok Sabha constitution so largest Lok Sabha constituency kuntu hoy yare bitor largest Lok Sabha constituency hoy to Kutchot thoka Lok Sabha constituency to who preside over the Lok Sabha if neither the speaker nor the deputy speaker is available so speaker e hoba deputy speaker e hok jite available na thake kune preside kore answer number D the senior most member of the Lok Sabha teo preside kore in the case of a deadlock between the two houses of the parliament the joint sitting is presided over by so duta house or majo jite deadlock hoy joint sitting kitia preside kune kore speaker of the Lok Sabha okay speaker of the Lok Sabha eto solve kore resolve kore who among the following decides whether a particular bill is money bill or not to kune decide kore eto speaker of the Lok Sabha decides which one is responsible for the preparation and presentation of union budget to parliament so parliament union budget present koribo aru presentation aru preparation kune responsible hoy department of economic affairs is responsible while a proclamation of emergency is in operation the duration of the Lok Sabha can be extended by not exceeding so emergency jetia hobo operation hoy thakibo to Lok Sabha duration kiman dinoleke extend koribo pare 1 year at a time bharat ebosor extend koribo pare public accounts committee report kak submit kore the public accounts committee submits its report to the speaker of the Lok Sabha when the annual union budget is not passed by the Lok Sabha to ki hoy Lok Sabha jete annual union budget pass nokore to etu ki hoy the union finance minister is asked to resign okay union finance minister of resign dibole ki kora hoy mane koa hoy what is the difference between vote on account and interim budget vote on account or interim budget or majo difference ki hoy so options kita sai lobo aru uttor hobo yare eto B2 a vote on account only deals with the expenditure in government's budget okay while an interim budget includes both expenditure and receipts vote on account e government or budget or okol expenditure side to side mane kiman khoros hol hetu ako interim budget e expenditure or logote receipt kiman khini revenue or expenditure duyotai ki kore look out kore it is a difference budget last question is as a class 2 budget in a normal circumstances is presented to the parliament on so normal jete situation hoy tit thake tetia normal circumstances budget ketia present kora hoy last day of February last date present kora hoy okay so ha korisu ekhini apnalok bahut kini help koribo kiba jodi doubt ase comment section e janabo pare apnaloke aru ekhini নহয় প্ৰশ্ন 100টা question একো প্ৰশ্ন sufficient নহয় পলিটি বুলি গলে তো এটা বহুত ডাঙৰ কোর্স হয় সো মই জিমানখিনি পাৰো আপোনালোক এনেকৈ বেছি কৈ questions দিবৰ চেষ্টা কৰিম যাতে আপোনালোকৰ প্ৰিপাৰেচনত হেল্প হয় সো আশা কৰিছো ক্লাসটো আপোনালোকৰ কানে ফ্ৰুটফুল হ'ব আৰু যদি এতিয়ালৈকে ভিডিও চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব লগতে নোটিফিকেশন বেলটো প্ৰেছ কৰি দিব আৰু পিডিএফ বিলাকৰ কানে আমাৰ টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেল জয়েন কৰিব ডেসক্ৰিপচন বক্সত লিংক দিয়া আছে থ্যাঙ্কস ফৰ ওয়াচিং দ্য ভিডিও and have a nice day